Hi everybody, I'm back for a quick little video. I know I've released a video, 2 videos last week by Chic Sparrow, and also a video this week by Foxy Fix. I have had many Chic Sparrow and Foxy Fix notebooks in the past, and there's one leather that I truly love from Chic Sparrow, and I had it in 2 sizes that I don't use. I had it in A6 and I had it in pocket. Now I still have one in pocket, but I don't use the pocket size. Everyone knows I'm quite partial to passport sizes, personal sizes, or B6 Slim, or the standard Midori. But I don't use A6 and I don't use the pocket anymore. Those are 2 sizes that I know I'm not going to use. So I've been using my Porter Pieces by Connie lately. We started using the cash envelope system, so I think it's kind of ironic that I'm unboxing something. But we'd been using this to keep track of all of our bills and debt, and this had recently just happened. Where's that insert? We got one of the smallest balance credit cards paid off, and I treated myself. Yeah, I know, probably not something you're supposed to do, but it is something that I did to this, and it just happened to arrive the same day that that bill went out. So we have, one of our credit cards down to a 0 balance now, which is really exciting. So here are the cute little Chic Sparrow stickers. I think last month was the little penguin, which they don't have anymore. So there's their business card and their stickers. And you'll notice it's the same size as my chocolate creme brulee. It's the same size as my, what is that color? Buttered rum and Mr. Darcy. But my favorite leather has always been the Black Beauty. And oh, this is a gorgeous piece of leather. This is one of those leathers that when you open the package, the aroma of this leather, and you can see there's a little bit of texture, and I love the texture on the creme brulee leathers. I think it makes it like not floppy, but it makes it just more supple. I mean, look how soft and smooth that is. So let me double check my viewfinder. So what you'll see is it is a gorgeous piece of black leather, and it has black elastic, and it has the white stitching, and it is a classic. I really like the creme brulee in the classic, or with the secretarial pockets like my chocolate has, but that isn't an option in this. I think that's only an option in the Odyssey now. I think I saw an email about that. So let me pull, and you'll see I've been going back to black because I want something a little bit more classic in design. So this is the exact same setup that I have in my my Foxy Fix, my Spice in the pepper. That's what the black color is called, pepper. And I had a little extra cash this month from selling some Traveler's notebooks, so I did order a Foxy Fix number 6 in the clove spice. But look how beautiful that is. It's such a beautiful leather, and I mean, that is going to hold so many inserts. So just to go over, we have the take the alley clip off. Peaky Dory design, the 2-year monthly calendar. Oop. I think I need to tighten that elastic. I have my February Cocoa Daisy with some note paper in the front. My dailies. We have my bill tracker, which I just showed you. And you can see we've got all of our bills paid except for the end of the month Etsy bill, and my license plate tag is due this month. And then we have a zipper pouch with the credit card slots, the long slot. The zipper pouch where I've got my Porter's pieces. I do have one of the elastic adhesive pen loops because I do have some Craft Tech folders and some new writing boards coming from Taroko Shop. They should be here, probably the end of this week, beginning of next week. And then I have this wonderful, and I don't remember where I got it from. It's the Grocery List Meal Planner. I got it from, not the Honeybee shop, but her fiance has a shop where he does certain types of inserts. Like this one, he does like some workout inserts. But I really liked this design. I haven't used it yet, but we're going to use it this weekend to plan next week's meals and our shopping. But this comes in various sizes. This is the personal. I know it comes in like the B6, it comes in the standard, it comes in A6. The B6 might be nice because it'll give you a little extra width and just a little extra height, because that would be 5 by 7. So it'd give you like a 1/4 inch taller, but it would give you, you know, like a good 1.25 inch width, which would be really nice for this portion of it. So that is what arrived today. I know it's a short, simple little video, but it smells, I got my nose on it. It smells amazing. If you do not have one of the Creme Black Beauty notebooks, it's just so soft to the touch. And this one is nice and pliable and supple, and it smells amazing. You have to try one. Okay, so I will link Chic Sparrow down below, and I will try to link everything in here. I'll see if I can find, it might be like Burke's printables. I don't know. I'll see if I can find it on Etsy, and I will link it down below. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.